We're talking about mortgage insurance today, and who better to ask about mortgage and mortgage insurance is our friend Darren Shrewsbury from 33seven. Darren, thanks so much for coming out.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you for inviting me.
Anytime. So, Darren, tell us a little bit about 33seven, and like when we're talking about insurance, we've got mortgage insurance, life insurance. Tell us a little bit more about 33seven and what you guys do.
33seven is a wealth creation boutique that specializes in propelling and preserving wealth for the affluent. And what I mean by that is we essentially use other people's money, so mortgages, insurance, and leverage, to create wealth for people that are in the real estate industry, real estate business, mortgage professionals, real estate professionals, et cetera, et cetera. So we really like to service our clients and help people by using sophisticated financial vehicles to enrich their personal net worth.
Fantastic. So for first-time home buyers, property investors, what's the best type of insurance do you think people should be going for?
Right. So a first-time home buyer generally has two options. They can do mortgage insurance or they can do permanent insurance.
Okay.
And we obviously recommend doing sort of either permanent insurance or term insurance. Mortgage insurance is it's a little tricky. It's generally not portable. It has a declining balance.
Right.
And essentially you're using your money to insure the bank.
Right.
So a slightly more sophisticated but affordable way to get insurance for first-time home buyers or real estate investors is to do term insurance. So term insurance is portable. It does not have a declining balance, and it has a 10 or 20-year term. It's a very easy way to get the coverage you need to protect your family, your beneficiaries, your mortgage, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And it's incredibly affordable. The more sophisticated version would be participating whole life, but that's sort of probably not a good conversation starter right now. We'll concentrate on term. Term is a good fit.
And with term, you can get it for any balance or any amount. You can do it for 100,000, 500,000, a million, 2 million.
Absolutely, okay. Yeah. Within reason. Obviously, you have to look at the person who's going to be insured. If they're making, let's say, $100,000 of salary, they're probably not going to be able to get a $10 million term policy.
Correct.
But they can easily get $1, $2, $3 million of term, no problem. And you can go down as small as about 100,000 if you needed just a little baby term.
Okay, good stuff. And for people who are self-employed, again, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, doctors, lawyers, what type of insurance would you suggest for them?
Right. For these self-employed folks, assuming they have a corporation, the best insurance would be participating whole life, which is a permanent solution. That solution acts in two ways. First, it protects the family, does estate planning on all the traditional insurance work, and it also has a cash balance, which means that you can borrow against the policy once you've funded it using corporate retained earnings. It's essentially setting up your own retirement program within the corporation. So the folks that have corporations don't generally have RSPs and all that kind of stuff because we're not salaried.
Right.
So that's the option we use. So we use participating whole life, owned by the corporation, funded by the corporation, and then you take a loan against it, pull the money out to use for whatever purposes you need, or to reinvest back into real estate and get more mortgages.
So fantastic. So it's not only a life insurance policy, but it's something that you can actually access if you did want to invest in other investments.
Correct.
Fantastic.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, and our collaboration with Your Mortgage Your Way and 33seven has been fantastic. Can you just let us know a little bit more about how our relationship can move to the next level or how it's been working so far?
Fantastic, yeah, absolutely. We're using Your Mortgage Your Way for quite a while now, as you know, and we've had an incredible service from top to bottom. Whether it's a condo, pre-construction condo with a simple, little mortgage, you guys bang those out really quickly. That's been very, very good because we've got a lot of condo buyers that have used that solution, all the way up to super complicated, hard files to get sort of underwritten, et cetera, et cetera. The cadence of your communication with us and our clients has been spectacular. It's been really great. We've got 100% of our clients have been happy with you guys. Like I said, from simple all the way through to very sophisticated large deals. So from not only an execution standpoint, but just hanging out with Your Mortgage Your Way, the the way you guys interface with your clients is really spectacular. And so I'm really appreciative of that.
And vice versa, Darren. You know, you and your team have been fantastic. You're super responsive, and you always have a way of just catering to every client's needs in exactly what type of insurance term that they've wanted. So thank you again for coming down over here. It's been
pleasure.
great, Darren. Take it easy from
Thanks a lot.
33seven.